Hi, I'm Arlene Stone. This is my micro lesson, Capstone 1 Lesson Plan. Let's begin. Good morning, class! How everyone's doing? Great! I'm happy to hear all of you are doing well. Are you ready to learn? Okay, our lesson for today is the classification of animal kingdom. By the end of the class, you will identify the two classification of animal, vertebrates and invertebrates. Then afterwards, we're going to have a short quiz. Okay? Is this clear, class? Okay. First, let's review our topic yesterday. Is anyone know what we learned yesterday? Yes, Greg. Very good. Okay, yeah. We learned yesterday is about living things and non-living things. So what are non-living things? Yes, Lisa. That's right. Non-living things are things that have no life. Okay? So now, what are the living things? Yes, Anna. Very good. Living things are organisms that have life. It means alive. Okay? Alive. So, can you give me an example of living things? Yes, John. That's right. Dogs, cat, fish are all living things. Yes, very good. So, now, yesterday we also learned about the characteristic of all living things. So, what are the example of characteristic of living things? Yes, John. That's right. They can breathe. All living things have ability to respire or breathe, to take oxygen in and take carbon dioxide out. Okay? So now, yes, Greg, what are other example of characteristic of living things? Excellent. They grow, eat, and live. That's good, Greg. And then the last one, yes, Lisa. Excellent. They have ability to have offspring. Yes, offspring, like baby, children. Okay? So all living things have ability to reproduce, create an offspring. Okay? One more question. The dog, cat, fish, are they plants or animals? Yes, very good. Animals. That's right. Great job, class. Now, we're gonna move to our new lesson. Okay? The two classification of animal kingdom, which is called vertebrates and invertebrates. Now, let's read. The classification of animal kingdom, all animals, dog, cat, fish are belong to animal kingdom called Animalia. The study of animal is called zoology, and the scientists who study animals are called zoologists. Animals are divided into two types, the vertebrates and invertebrates animals. There are 5 vertebrates animals. Repeat after me. Mammals, reptiles, birds, amphibians, and fish. Very good. Okay. Some have warm-blooded animals. Some have cold-blooded animals. They live some on the land, some on the air, and some on the sea. So now, Anna, what do you call with the animals who have backbones? Excellent. Vertebrates. Very good, Anna. Now, what are vertebrates? Okay, very good, class. Now, well done. So, now, can you give me an example that has backbones? Any animals that has backbones? Yes, Lisa? Yes, panda. Panda have backbones. Therefore, panda is vertebrates. Okay, everybody repeat after me. A panda is vertebrates. Very good. Okay, now let's read an example of vertebrates animals. Okay? Human, dogs, dolphins, birds, fish, turtle, frogs are vertebrates animals. Very good. Well done, class. Now, what are invertebrates? Okay, now, okay. Everybody read. Invertebrates are animals that have no backbones. Very good. So now, Greg, can you give me an example of animals that has no backbones? Okay, yes, go ahead. Snake? Not quite. Well, snake have lots of small bones that make its spine in order for them to be flexible, to move. Okay, good try, Greg. Now, anyone has answer? Yes, Anna? Okay. That's right, worm. A worm, it doesn't have backbone. Worm have segmented body. It is long, soft, and crawling to the ground. Yeah. So, therefore, worm is invertebrates animals. Very good. Okay, now we're going to do an activity. Is everybody understand what are the two kinds of animals, vertebrates and invertebrates? Any question? No? Okay, so are you ready to learn the activity? Yes, we're going to do the activity, okay? Did you see the picture of an animal on the board? Yes? Okay. So what I want you to do is to answer the question, vertebrates or invertebrates. So choose the correct answer. To answer the question, each of them will be participate. Each of you. Okay? So first, the question is, what's this? The answer is, it's snake. Okay? So, you have 5 minutes to answer the question. Starts now. Okay, time's up. So, let's answer the question. Let's answer number 1. What can you tell about the picture? What's this? Yes, Lisa. Very good. It's a starfish. Now, everybody read. It's a starfish. Okay, so starfish vertebrates or invertebrates? Very good. Invertebrates. So, now, next, let's answer number 2. What can you see about the picture? Lion. Is it vertebrates or invertebrates? Vertebrates. Very good. Okay, so everybody, let's read. It's a lion. A lion is vertebrates. Very good, class. Okay, now, are you ready to take a quiz? Are you ready? Great. Okay, now I will handle you a quiz form. So please take one and then pass it to your classmate. Okay? Okay. So now, everybody have paper? Okay, I will tell you the instruction. Multiple choice. Answer the following questions. Circle the letter of the correct answer. So, you just need to read the question and then circle the letter of the correct answer. Okay? So, you have 5 minutes to do this quiz. Okay, 10 minutes. Okay, 10 minutes then. It starts now. Thumbs up